So over here we were passing the values in the function. What if we can execute the function and then the function should ask the user to enter the values and accordingly it is going to execute its body. So we can do that. Let's start with adding two numbers first. So as we have to define the function def add num. Right now I have not passed any values over here, but it can calculate the sum of two numbers, or more than that it can do everything. Let's start with asking the user to enter the number. So n1 is going to accept the first number from the user. In n2 I am storing the second number, and then I have created another variable someone which is adding the storing the sum of these two numbers. Then I'm printing the message over here. The sum of the numbers is, and I'm printing the value of the sum. So if I save and run this, here I have to write the name of the function which is add num. Now I'm not going to pass any values over here. So it is asking me to enter the first number. Then I have to enter the second number. And this is how it is showing me the sum. The same way I can find out the total marks and the average of the student, and then I can also assign the grade to the student. So you can see I have taken 5 subjects: Hindi, Science, Maths, Social Science and English, and I'm accepting 5 numbers from the user in different variables n1 2 and 5. Then I'm adding them over here and storing the sum in a variable sum1. Then to find the average I have taken another variable avg average, and I'm dividing the sum by 5 because I have got 5 subjects, so I have to divide it by 5. Then I'm printing the total marks and the average of the student. So if I save and run this, first I have to write the name of the function which is find avg, find average, then asking me to enter the marks. Then let's see. So it has shown me that the total marks are 295, and also given me the average. So if you want to write like if and else statement, you can write that as well. Let's see how we can do. So I have to take the if condition. If average is greater than equal to 90, then the grade is going to be A. And if the average is going to be A, if it is greater than equal to 80, it's going to be B, and then I can apply more to it like this. So finally, if the student is not able to get greater than equal to 60%, then revenue marks, he is going to get the E grade. Then finally I'm printing the grade of the student. So it is going to print the total mark, the average and the grade. So let's save and run this. The name of my function is find app. So let's see if I give 100%. He's got this much of marks and 66.2%. So again he has got it's not greater than 70, that's why he has got D grade, and it has printed the grade. So make sure that you are printing this command, keeping this command in the same alignment as of this if statement, otherwise it will not print the grade. So I hope you have learned how we can use function for different students. So we can find different every time we execute this function, we can give the marks, different marks to for each and every student, and then this is how we can find the average marks and the grade of that student. So this function it can accept a number of different values. So this is how we can execute a function by accepting other input from the users. Let's see, we will learn more about the functions in the coming videos. Till then, keep exploring, keep learning, keep sharing. Do like the video, share and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Do comment in the comment section if you have any problem. I'll answer to that as well. Thank you. Bye.